Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing fantastic. I'm also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I'm going to quote from the glorious Quran, Sura Maida, ayat verse 82. Allah says, the strongest and enmity to the Muslim would be the Jews and polytheist, and closest in love to the Muslim would be the Christian, because there are many priests and monks among them. They are not arrogant. I'm going to another quote from the glorious Quran, the same surah. Allah says, same surah, Surah Maida, verse 90. Allah says, O believer, intoxicants, gambling, idols, and divine arrows are all filth, the work of Shaitan. Abstain from these deeds, abstain from this kind of work, so that you can be successful. Allah Hafiz.